Hello dear all. So today I am going to start a new video series lecture. In this video series we are going to learn about PHP and MySQL. This PHP and MySQL is still a base combination to start with backend programming, and this course is specially designed for those students who have the basic knowledge of HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Trust me, this PHP and MySQL is easy and very important language to start with backend programming. So in this first video I'm going to give a brief introduction about PHP and where we need to use PHP programming. So consider this is a client, or this is your system where you need to fill up this registration form. So this registration form can be designed using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. The programming language that runs on a client machines is known as JavaScript. All the programming that we need to done in website development on client side usually performed using JavaScript, and this form can be designed using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So consider this is the form that you need to fill up. Here you need to enter first name, last name, email, password and confirm password. After you have filled this form, then you need to press the register now. When you press this register now button, then here control or your data need to saves on the server. This server may contain in remote location or any other location. So when you press the registration button after filling this form, then your data need to save on server, and when you do the login, then the same data need to retrieve from the server. So this server side programming is usually performed by PHP. So all the programs that we need to write on server that are usually written in PHP. So PHP is a language that is used to write the programs that runs on server. So this is the client and this is the server. So JavaScript is the client side programming language, whereas PHP is the server side programming language, and MySQL is the database engine that is used to manage the database. So when we fill up this form and we need to store this data in a server by using some database management system. So we use the MySQL. So MySQL as a database engine to store the database. So this is the brief introduction of PHP and MySQL, and one thing we need to remember, this communication between client and server are usually take place using HTTP protocol. So I am not going to explain in detail how this protocol work, but in simple word, using two methods, get and post, this form data can be transferred to the server, or any web page can be retrieved from server using HTTP request. So this is the small overview of PHP and MySQL. One thing you need to remember, the PHP is the server side programming language that is used to write the program that runs on server, and JavaScript is a client side programming language that is used to write the program which runs on client machines or user computer. So this is the features of PHP. Why we need to learn PHP? There are many other backend programming language are available, but still PHP is the best programming language to start with because it is easy to use. Open source means anyone can download this PHP for free and they can modify. We don't need to purchase any license for PHP. It is totally free, so that PHP is open source programming language. And third one is fast loading. The PHP is very fast as compared to Python and other programming language. We have other backend programming language like Python, C Sharp, etc. So that as compared to Python and other programming language, this PHP is fast as considered to other programming language. And cross platform, it means this PHP language can runs on any platform including Linux, Windows and Mac. For every platform we can easily install PHP and we can write our server side script. So this is the 4 basic features of PHP, and that's why we are going to learn the PHP. So to run the PHP and MySQL, first we need to install the XAMPP server. So you can download this XAMPP server for Windows or WAMP server for Linux using the following link. If you have not installed this XAMPP server till now, please do the installations. From next video we are going to do the practical and try to run our first PHP program. Thank you for now. Let's see in our next video.